For the next several hours, I think we'll be in the 20s in Lincoln, but rise into the middle and upper 30s by 11 o'clock, middle 40s by 1, and then into the 50s this afternoon. I think we top out near 52 degrees in Lincoln. It'll also be more breezy today. A south and southeast wind sustained at 10 to 20 miles per hour, maybe some gusts pushing 25 or 30 miles per hour. Enjoy the 52 degrees this afternoon. It gets a lot colder tomorrow. In fact, we see winter weather alerts just to our north and west. Central Nebraska, you see winter weather advisories. Where you see the pink shaded areas, that's where we have winter storm warnings. By and large, that's where we expect the majority of any snowfall. In fact, in some of the winter storm warning areas, up to a foot will be possible, and in some areas maybe out towards Valentine, getting out towards Chadron. Maybe over a foot. The totals do drop off in central Nebraska, and in this chunk of real estate right here, maybe out towards the Tri-Cities, up towards Columbus. That's where we have the highest amount of uncertainty with snow totals, because any small shift in track is going to shift these ranges by a big amount. In Lincoln, I'm thinking maybe up to an inch with any snow showers that try to move through tomorrow night. But the bigger concern in Lincoln may be a little bit of a minor ice accrual, maybe up to 1/10 of an inch. That's what this version of Stormcast shows, but a glaze will be possible. So there's a lot of moving parts with this. Let's take you through it with Stormcast. So tonight we'll start to see some snow in northern Nebraska, but for most of Tuesday night, central and southeast Nebraska completely dry. But tomorrow morning, while we have snow ongoing in northern Nebraska continuing to occur, we may see some patchy freezing drizzle developing in the southeast corner of the state. This may affect the morning commute, so keep that in mind. We'll be tracking it throughout the morning show. Freezing drizzle will remain possible in southeastern Nebraska through the afternoon hours, but I suspect things will start to dry out as we get towards mid and late afternoon as a dry slot moves into the area. And that's a saving grace here. That would prevent a lot of ice accrual. Now we start to dry out into the evening hours, but then there's another push of snow showers there that starts to move through south central and southeastern Nebraska on Wednesday night and early Thursday. That's where I think we might have the chance to see up to an inch in southeastern Nebraska. But most of the day on Wednesday, not really seeing snow in the capital city, maybe a little bit of freezing drizzle, but if you want to see snow, you would have to wait towards Wednesday night, and even that is not a guarantee. What is a guarantee, though? We're going to cool off quite a bit. 33 degrees on Wednesday, cooling off to 8 degrees by Thursday morning. How about a high of 18 degrees on Thursday? That is a windy 18 degrees as well. I think we may have wind chills in some areas below zero during the afternoon on Thursday, but just wait towards the weekend. 50 by Saturday, 52 on Sunday, so if you do not like the cold, which who likes a windy 18 degrees, we'll be back in the 50s by this weekend.